Thank you, Shosh, for those inspiring words and for being such a valued member of this community. And my congratulations to you and to the entire graduating class for your remarkable achievements over the past 2 years. I'm Nathan Thielman, Associate Director of the Master of Science in Global Health program, and I now have the privilege to present the DGHI Outstanding Graduate Student Award. Before I announce this year's winner, I want to take a moment to just remember Madeline Bacuzzi, a former winner of this award, who passed away in 2014 after a battle with cancer. When Maddie arrived on campus in 2011, her enthusiasm for global health and her positive impact on our community was immediately felt. She was admired and beloved by her fellow students and faculty, and so this award is now given in her honor. And we're very proud that this year's winner lives up to Maddie's legacy. For this award, we ask our faculty to nominate students whom they believe have excelled in the classroom, in the field, and in building the global health community at Duke. We received many glowing nominations. Faculty wrote about students being team builders, collaborators, academic superstars, and having immense potential to make a difference in the field of global health. This year's Outstanding Master of Student in Global Health Award recipient has combined enthusiasm, intellectual curiosity, a strong work ethic, personal tenacity, and academic prowess with a passion for global health. From acquiring new epidemiological and biostatistical methods, to debating policy decisions in Dr. Yammy's course, to discussing interdisciplinary approaches to global surgery in Dr. Rice's and Dr. Smith's course, she met challenges with a spirit of learning. Her instructors wrote that she came prepared to each lecture, synthesizing her ideas. Amazing. Yeah, she did. Synthesizing her own ideas with the comprehension of the course readings. Her research and thesis project took her to the 4th poorest country in the world, Somaliland. There she collected data on over 1,000 surgeries performed on children, and she partnered with and trained a team of data collectors to conduct home-based surveys in order to estimate the pediatric surgical disease burden nationwide. Let me just read a few additional nomination remarks. She approached this research opportunity with enormous enthusiasm, compassion, and a depth of understanding. Her research performance confirmed her outstanding resilience, tenacity, and aptitude. And here's what the past Foreign Minister of Somaliland, Ms. Edna Ismail, wrote. She was an exceptional volunteer who immersed herself from the very first day. She's smart, resourceful, integrated easily, and has a pleasant character which easily helps her to become friends with staff and students. And then finally, just one of her letters of nomination, which was actually 3 pages, concluded this way. She is the brightest and most academically able person that I've worked with in my 12-year career in academic research in global health. She matches her leadership skills and academic abilities with kindness to motivate others towards a common goal. Without fail, she accepted new challenges, learned new skills, and accepted performance feedback in an effort to grow as a professional. Her enthusiasm and excitement for interdisciplinary approaches to global health give her an exceptional and rare perspective as she now enters the next phase in her life. So please join me in congratulating Tessa Concepcion as this year's Outstanding Master of Science Award.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah. Students such as Tessa and her classmates are taught and repeatedly inspired by a remarkable faculty who teach our 6 core courses in their curriculum and diverse elective courses across campus. These faculty serve as research mentors for our students, helping them navigate the often circuitous paths of developing and implementing a research project in the field and presenting their findings in an academic thesis. Our faculty represent multiple disciplinary perspectives. They bring a wealth of on-the-ground experience and a passion for global health. So each year, we ask students to put forward nominations for Global Health Graduate Professor of the Year. This is an award to acknowledge one faculty member who has gone above and beyond to teach, mentor, and support trainees. The recipient of this year's Graduate Professor of the Year award is known as a professor who cares deeply about his students and works tirelessly on their behalf. He is the mentor to 4 graduating Masters of Global Health and Science students, 3 from Duke and 1 from Duke Kunshan. One student describes the influence he has had on her development of a repertoire of transferable skills such as writing, critical thinking, international communications, teamwork, and leadership. Another student described the list of different experiences he hopes each of his mentees can practice while working with his team. Skills such as drafting and writing manuscripts and grant proposals, navigating IRB submissions, and acquiring concrete laboratory skills. His nominees highlight the priority he places on mentorship, how he actively seeks to understand each of his mentees, how they think, and what motivates and drives them. He's a student of his students. In addition to providing structured guidance, prompt feedback, and constructive criticism, this professor hosts fireside chats with his trainees to facilitate deeper discussions about life, careers, and work-life balance. One of his students wrote this: "During our visits, he also takes the time to make sure I'm getting enough sleep, ask about my family, get to know my significant other, learn about my future career goals, and offer help in pursuing further education. He asks at least once a week if I'm still having fun." He sees his position as a mentor as a complete investment in his students, their health, and their future successes. Please join me in congratulating Professor Greg Gray, recipient of this year's DGHI Graduate Professor of the Year Award.